I'm the Shark Doctor, and I'm gonna take you around the world to see some of the most iconic animals. From great white sharks to African elephants, I'm gonna get you up close and personal. Now I have a superpower, and it's not only the ability to interact with these animals, I can also communicate with them. To find out how I do it, join me in Adventures with the Shark Doctor.